Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, a pretty quiet morning out there so far with pleasant conditions. We're seeing those temperatures warming already into the upper 60s across the Wallops region today, and we'll see those temperatures likely push into the low 70s this afternoon before a cold front crosses the region and brings in a much colder air mass for overnight tonight into tomorrow. I want to take a look here at our live cam this morning, looking off to the west here at Wallops. You can see a little bit of puffy cumulus cloud starting to develop out there. And as we go throughout the afternoon today, we'll see those winds increasing, or those clouds increasing as this frontal boundary pushes closer to the region. Here you can see here on the infrared satellite, mostly clear conditions still here at Wallops as of the 10 a.m. hour. But as we get into the early afternoon, we'll start to see some of those clouds associated with that frontal boundary begin to push closer to the region. Looking at our short-term model here and what we can expect as we go throughout the day today, this is 3 o'clock. You can see some of those showers and thunderstorms beginning to reach the Delmarva Peninsula at that time. This front should be pretty quick to move through the area, so by around 5 o'clock, everything should probably be coming to an end. If not, we'll see things come to an end by 6 o'clock this evening as that front races across the Delmarva and out to sea. So we are expecting a pretty good chance of some showers and thunderstorms as it moves across the area. So certainly if you have any outdoor activities planned during that period of time, please be on the lookout as we could see some lightning embedded in some of those showers. Looking at our current radar, you can see really nothing to be concerned with now. And again, will likely be after 2 o'clock before we see any potential for any precipitation to occur here at Wallops. Let's take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see that frontal boundary again pushing closer to the region this morning, and it will be moving across the area this afternoon with some colder air moving in behind it. And we are expecting windy conditions to be associated with that front, and those windy conditions continuing as we go into the overnight hours and through the day on Thursday. Looking at our upper level wind data this morning, seeing those winds generally out of the southwest direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. We see winds at around 35 knots at the 1,000-foot level, up to about 58 knots as we get up to around the 25,000-foot level. Freezing level this morning was sitting at 7,900 feet. So taking a look here at our European model and what we can expect as we go throughout the next several days, starting out with Thursday here for the extended period. Really not expecting any precipitation chances for Thursday or Friday as high pressure will slowly build into the region. A windy day expected on Thursday, and then as we go into Friday, that pressure gradient will relax. We'll see a bit warmer conditions for the region on Friday as well. And then for Saturday, we'll start to see our next system taking shape across the deep south and pushing in from the west. We'll see the rain chances increasing as we go into the late afternoon hours. You can see here Saturday at 5 o'clock, starting to see some of those rain chances here across the southern portion of the Delmarva. Our best chance of rain will be in the evening and overnight hours Saturday into Sunday morning. Sunday morning, expecting those rain showers to continue across the area through about the noontime hour, maybe even into the early afternoon hours on Sunday before coming to an end. And then we'll see some windy conditions behind that departing area of low pressure as it strengthens and pushes off to the northeast. We'll see windy conditions on Sunday. And then in the long term, looking at very nice conditions setting up for the first part of next week, looking at some warm temperatures as well as we get into the Tuesday time frame. We'll take a look here in just a minute as we look at our 7-day forecast. So for the next 24 hours, again, those hazards mainly with the precipitation and wind associated with that frontal boundary as it pushes through. See a daytime high of 72 degrees with those rain chances increasing by mid-afternoon and into the late afternoon hours. We'll see a pretty likely scenario of seeing those rain showers and possible thunderstorms embedded as well. Looking at about a 55% chance between the hours of 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock for seeing some lightning here, right here at Wallops. About 30% chance after 4 o'clock, extending until the 6 p.m. hour of seeing some thunderstorm activity. And then after 6 p.m., should see that front off the coast and see some clearing skies as well as we approach the evening and overnight hours. Windy conditions will continue overnight tonight into the first part of Thursday, expecting wind advisories to be posted here at Wallops for winds over 25 knots. And then as we look into the extended forecast here for our next 7 days, dry conditions expected for Thursday and Friday with rain chances resuming once again by late Saturday, seeing about a 75% chance of afternoon and evening rain shower activity for Saturday, and into Sunday morning, seeing about a 70% chance as well. Looking at a slight chance of some lightning potentially with these showers as this area of low pressure moves through, but that is still uncertain at this time. We'll be fine tuning that forecast for you over the course of the next couple of days, but precipitation looking likely at this time for the Saturday PM into Sunday AM time frame. So we go into Monday and Tuesday looking at temperatures warming into the upper 60s to low 70s by Tuesday, with those overnight lows generally running in the mid 40s to upper 40s. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.